Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. In between this refine that I've been doing for Andrew, I've actually got a letter from Scrapper D that's kind of been sitting on my desk for a couple of 3 weeks now, and so I'm going to go ahead and get this camera put up on the stand here, and we're going to cut this open and have a look at it. So we'll do that right now. Uh-oh! There he is. Look, he drove all the way from Central Tennessee because I hadn't done this mail call yet.
I come over here to check on him and see why he hadn't opened it yet.
He wanted to make sure that this was getting open. So
that's right.
There he is. There's Scrapper D, guys.
Hey.
He come to pay me a visit and pick up some of my computer junk that I didn't have, or I had too much of, actually, more than we thought we were going to have.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead anyway and do this mail call, even though he's sitting right there.
That's right.
So I'm going to get this.
Make sure it's done proper.
I'll tell you, I would too, as long as you've been waiting for me to do it. So we'll get back at you guys in just a second. Okay, guys, now that we know Scrapper D is sitting here with us, I guess I better quick open this letter up before he grabs one of them poles we stuck in the back of his truck and beats me with it. But here we go. It says, "Thank you, Dino, for being a great friend." Well, you're welcome, sir.
I do appreciate it, my man.
I do you as well. And he didn't tell me what's in here, but I kind of know already. You can tell with these envelopes what they are, and there it is. Gosh, it even looks like you.
Yeah.
That is awesome. So they are going up on my sticker wall, which is overloaded, but we'll find room for these and get them up there. My friend, I appreciate you coming and paying me a visit.
Well, I appreciate you for having me. I really do.
And I'm sorry that you had to come all the way over here to make me open up that letter.
Yeah, yeah.
But I have enjoyed the visit.
Oh, yeah.
So
definitely.
We will get those up on the sticker shelf where I put my stickers, and he's actually even going to hang around with me for a few minutes because we are about to finish up Andrew's refine and melt some gold. So you'll see that in a little while because I got a lot of editing to do, so I'll get that out as quick as I can. So you guys take care, and we'll see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.